Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into your energy to see what the heck you got going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. As you all know, we have a winter advisory here on the East Coast. I'm here in the Carolinas. I'm hearing those in the Texas as well will be getting hit with some of this weather, this winter mix as well. So make sure y'all stay warm. I send y'all the most protection. Okay, bundle up. Don't go outside unless you need to. Hopefully, you guys have everything you guys need. And then good morning, good evening, good afternoon to everyone. Let's go ahead and get into it. Energy is fluid. I could be speaking of a masculine. It could be a feminine energy, okay? What y'all got going on, though? Let's go ahead and get into it. We're going to pull from my deck. Well, the deck that I've been making. What's at the bottom? We got police here. That's the sound of the police. Boop, boop. It's the sound of the police. Demonic. Okay. Um, Let me be completely frank. Normally, what the first thing I thought about when I seen the police, I thought of Archangel Michael. I seen sirens, and then at the bottom of the deck, I seen demonic. So the first thing I'm noticing here that you guys definitely have some sort of protection, especially when in regards to a demonic entity. Um, Now, then the second thing that I'm definitely seeing here with this police and demonic, that there may be some sort of police officer or the police may have some sort of demonic entity attachments or something like that. But we're gonna go ahead and get into it a little bit further to see what the heck is going on. Would you mind clarifying police, please, spirit? Police. Clarify police ain't shit. What's going on with the police? One more for police. Police. All right. I'm seeing marrying for money. I'm seeing scarcity tactics. So I don't know, somebody could be, entertaining a cop in a relationship with a cop or something like that. And I'm definitely seeing this cop is look, it's talking about a dirty offer. Could they be extending some sort of dirty offer to you to them, place whatever way it needs to be placed? But Spirit is saying that somebody ain't shit. All right, somebody is definitely marrying for money, and they are utilizing scarcity tactics to get in a connection. Spirit said this is a dirty offer. I'm also seeing that there are fake smiles here. Somebody really doesn't want something, or somebody is wearing a mask. That's what I'm feeling here. Like maybe somebody don't want to get married. Okay. Maybe somebody don't want to deal with somebody or something like that. But I'm definitely seeing at the bottom of the deck that some sort of demonic forces is controlling possibly a police officer or something like that. Let's go ahead and clarify a little bit further. Clarify ain't shit. Clarifying ain't shit. I'm showing fortune telling. Okay, so maybe there was some sort of tarot reading or something like that that was revealed, especially when it comes to this individual's ways or something like that. I'm seeing the first thing I seen was Cancer, Pisces, Capricorn, Sagittarius, Libra, Leo, Aries. I'm seeing all the zodiacs out here. Clarifying marrying for money. I'm seeing an energy of someone having inner peace. All right. I feel like somebody's marrying for money for some sort of peace or simplicity is what I'm showing here. Clarify the scarcity tactics. Or someone could possibly be wanting to marry you for some sort of simplicity, okay, to have some sort of inner peace or something like that. Clarifying scarcity tactics. I'm seeing see readiness here. Number 44. Number 44 is definitely significant. Spirit is saying to get ready. It seems like there is some sort of something happening prompt. This I'm seeing the energy of prepare, make some sort of arrangements or something like that, especially to possibly get out of some sort of situation is what I'm seeing here. And look like whoever this person is very prideful. Okay, very egotistical. All right. I'm also seeing an energy of you guys possibly knowing your self-worth. All right. So 444 could be significant. I do apologize. 444 could possibly be significant as well for what I'm seeing here. All right, let's go ahead and clarify this a little bit further. All right. What else do we need to know in regards to this police energy, police spirit? What is it that we need to know in regards to this energy of demonic police? Demonic police. What's going on? Demonic police. All right. This energy is coming off as nostalgic. Six of Cups. All right. What's going on with this demonic police energy? Childish, immature energy. I'm seeing an energy of control and possession, possessive or possessionist or something like that. Yeah, very possessive and controlling. I'm seeing an energy of someone that likes to hold on to people, places, and things. Mm. I'm also showing a lack of success. I'm seeing this, there is some sort of stagnation. I'm seeing a lack of achievement here. Something doesn't work out the way that someone expected to. I'm seeing that there is definitely some sort of disappointment or burden. This is also talking about a cycle that is definitely still open with the world in reverse. Something that hasn't been closed out. Demonic police, free spirit. For the divine space, family, friends, and collective. What is it that we need to know in regards to demonic police? All right, I am definitely seeing that there's a fire sign. Aries could be significant with the Queen of Wands. I mean, I'm sorry, with the as the King of Wands. Okay, whoever this person is could possibly be in some sort of leadership position or something like that. Um, Someone that is very adventurous, who likes to take charge. I'm seeing that there's a lot of haste, someone moving quickly with this Eight of Wands. All right, it's like a buildup of some sort of momentum, is what I'm seeing here. And someone trying to move quickly, but I'm definitely seeing it, the temperance angel out here bringing balance to a situation. Um, the temperance speak of patience, doing things in moderation. Um, but it's like somebody's trying to move quickly. I'm seeing that there's a tower moment. Something is happening here. It looks like there's some sort of upheaval, possibly some sort of unexpected changes that's getting ready to have. I'm seeing like there is some sort of disaster. Okay. This could also be like some sort of revelation, something being revealed. Clarify this release. And somebody is grieving or will be grieving. There's an energy of sadness, grief, loss, despair, possibly even feeling unwelcomed, is what I'm seeing here, because it looks like there is an energy of someone pursuing a new beginning. I'm seeing a new relationship, a new romance. I'm seeing an energy of joy and happiness in the future. Clarify this demonic police energy. Yeah, somebody's focusing on a new beginning. Clarify this demonic police energy. Anything else we need to know? Yeah, I'm seeing a breakup with the Three of Swords. There's an energy of some sort of breakup, possibly due to some sort of betrayal or something like that. I'm seeing sadness, separation, unhappiness, and heartache. And someone in the Nine of Swords, there's an energy of regret, remorse, anxiety, a lot of stress, unhappiness, feeling overwhelmed and burdened. Clarify this demonic police energy. Yep, I'm seeing whoever this person is coming out is a King of Swords in reverse. Okay, selfish, ruthless, devious, okay, doing things premeditated. This person is malice, um, type of energy, someone that you cannot trust. All right. This is a dirty cop. It's demonic police. And somebody dealing with a dirty cop or something like that, this person is definitely very immature and childish, you guys. And spirit wants you to trust or listen to your intuition. That's what I'm seeing here. It seems like you guys are totally different. You have this energy of kindness, okay? I'm seeing the love, thoughtful, possibly introverted, quiet individual. And this person is totally opposite. I'm seeing that there is a earth sign that could be significant as well. Okay, Capricorn. Capricorn towards Virgo could definitely be significant. Clarify this demonic police. Anything else for demonic police? And I'm seeing somebody coming in with a love offer. With the Knight of Cups, there is definitely some sort of romantic proposal here. Clarify this romantic proposal for this demonic police energy. Clarify romantic proposal. One more. One for romantic proposal. Please, Spirit, clarify. Okay. Clarify romantic proposal that's coming towards someone, or this could be like some sort of reconciliation. Is a Queen of Swords energy. Queen of Swords, someone that is, first thing I thought about was thoughtful. Someone that there's an energy of fairness, like someone that is, I'm seeing fair judgment, right decision. Someone that speak up for themselves, stand up for themselves, very clear and precise, seeing things from a higher perspective. I'm seeing that there's an energy of someone may have been experiencing some sort of ongoing battle. The Nine of Wands has let me know this individual is a wounded warrior. This may be someone that have dealt with this person before. This is the energy of someone that has learned some sort of lesson, or learned from past failures or mistakes that they may have experienced with this individual. I'm seeing that there's an energy of moving forward. There's an energy of winning. I'm seeing someone having the advantage. I see you guys moving forward. Or it could be this person who have moved forward moved away from whoever this person is. Place it whatever way it needs to be placed, okay? Anything else in regards to this demonic police energy? Yeah. Four wands, it look like it may have possibly been some sort of marriage or something like that. Yeah, it may have been some sort of marriage or something like that. Maybe you guys have a family with this person, or they have a family with this person. And I'm seeing that there is a Knight of Pentacles out here where there's someone in this energy of independence. Nine of Pentacles, single, successful, financially stable, and secure. I'm seeing an energy of abundance and prosperity around you. All right. After a partnership with whoever this person is, it's like an energy of someone made plans to move forward, having foresight. I'm seeing an energy of moving. Okay. Moving forward. There's an energy of self confidence, self belief, freedom, success, happiness. confidence. We got the Nine of Cups out here. Look, happiness. Someone leaving to be happy. I'm seeing somebody wishes come true. All right, there's an energy of wishes come true. All right, with this Nine of Cups energy, I'm seeing an energy of abundance, high self-esteem, and you triumphing or something like that. But I'm also seeing an energy of someone carrying burdens, feeling overwhelmed, overloaded with responsibilities, possibly stressed, or having a lot of problems, having the weight on their shoulders. Is what I'm showing here. There's an energy of being restricted, experiencing some sort of burnout, having to overwork, and not get much for the work that they are doing. Yeah, I'm seeing, yeah, having someone having to go through some sort of soul searching. This person have to go through some sort of spiritual enlightenment, self-reflection, or something like that. Spirit is putting someone through some sort of spiritual enlightenment, put it like that. Anything else in regards to demonic police? And I'm seeing that there's an energy of conflict. I feel like somebody is definitely fighting some sort of spiritual enlightenment, some sort of change spiritually that they are supposed to be going through, is what I'm showing here. This is just simply the currents of the universe, is what I'm seeing here. But I'm definitely seeing an energy of conflicts, fighting and arguments, disagreements, and things like that, clashing. Somebody is feeling trapped, possibly restricted, or trying to cause some sort of restriction for somebody. Trying to place someone in a situation where their back is against a wall, in a corner, hands feeling tied up, and I see someone abandoning some sort of plans, walking away, letting go, reaching some sort of limit. Yeah, I feel like this person, someone was operating out of self-sabotage, and they simply self-sacrifice themselves out of a connection by simply backstabbing, okay, betraying, bitching, bad mouth, disrespectful, things like that. That's what I'm showing here. I feel like this person may have cursed themselves, and I'm seeing someone reaching or hitting rock bottom. A cancer could be significant as well. I'm seeing a Queen of Cups energy out here. Anything else we need to know? So this person could possibly even betrayed you or backstabbed you with a water sign, could be significant. Okay, demonic release, anything else, and judgment being called on the situation. I'm definitely seeing an energy of some sort of renewal. Someone having to make a mandatory change to better their life and view things from a different perspective is what I'm seeing here. And get yourself out of a situation that you possibly feel trapped in. I'm definitely seeing an energy of uncertainty and having a lack of direction and needing to release and stand in your power with the strength card. Okay, because I am definitely showing that there is definitely a new beginning here. All right, with this Ace of Pentacles. All right, new finances, new jobs, new opportunity, and I'm seeing energy of someone being left out in the cold, experiencing some sort of financial loss, some sort of financial ruin, experiencing some sort of hardship, bad luck, and homelessness, possibly poverty. Someone might even be becoming unemployed. But I am seeing an energy of someone coming in, trying to extend some sort of offer out of regret. And I see you rejecting whoever this is offer. This is simply a missed opportunity because they betrayed you in some form of fashion with the Seven of Swords. And I'm showing that there was some sort of third party situation. But yeah, this person is definitely rushing in or trying to rush in, because good things are happening for you. I'm seeing good news when it comes to like earthly matters. I'm seeing you guys having some sort of solid beginning as well. There's some sort of solid beginning. All right. I'm seeing an increase in income and books, and I'm seeing that there is an energy of someone all in their mind, overly needed. I mean, overly loaded, mentally overly loaded, needing solitude, feeling overwhelmed, mentally overloaded, fear. I'm sorry. I'm already saying the same thing because I'm hearing my little one out there yelling. But yeah, a lot of stress, a lot of unhappiness. This is like an energy of someone not being able to sleep or rest at night because karma is coming back to get them. Justice card, karmic justice is definitely at play. I'm seeing somebody learning some sort of life lesson. Uh-huh. Especially in regards to a contract that you guys had with them that they're trying to keep open. Mm, yeah, karmic justice is definitely at play, and I see you guys coming out as the star, very inspirational. I'm seeing an energy of you guys being spiritual. Like, this star also talks about some sort of wish fulfillment as well. But nonetheless, like I stated before, you guys could be still with this person. But I'm definitely seeing some sort of stagnation. They're experiencing stagnation. This is like misery enjoys company. They want to cause some sort of lack of success for you, okay, by being with you. But this person has some sort of demonic attachment, a demonic entity attached to them. So definitely be mindful of that.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Love